Here I have BLACKVIEW A70, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, switch to the normal photo mode, and here you just have to hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. Let's hold down. Current mode does not support continuous shot. Which do you mean by current? Okay, I think it means automatic flashlight. So as you can see, when I have like flash disabled and HDR disabled, I can use this burst shot. And here we can review all these burst photos. So yeah, that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.